Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. I finally received my November box from Eyescream Beauty and I have it right here. And if you want to see everything that I got inside the box and how I did this look, then keep on watching. So, hello, I got my box, November's box from Eyescream Beauty here. I literally just got this right now. I'm a little out of breath because I had a little mishap in the post office and it was embarrassing. Let me open it up. I still haven't opened it up. Here is the card, all the prices and all the stuff inside, and this is the November thank you. It's a Thanksgiving themed box. Okay, let me clear this out from the chips. So in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly subscription box and it's $25 a month, and it guarantees an eyeshadow palette in each month, so that's very good. And all the products are makeup related. It could be from 5 to 7 items every month, and all you pay is $25 a month. I just saw this card at the bottom. It says, wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your support. That's so thoughtful. Right here at the bottom. Very, very nice. So let's see. The first item I see is Come Through Flawless makeup set with SPF 15. Well, I've never heard of setting sprays having SPF. That's interesting. Have you heard of that? Look at this packaging. You can see everything. It's like a mirror. Let's see. Apply the fine mist to the face to set makeup. And it's vegan, cruelty free. Everything is vegan and cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's by Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand, but let's see how much this retails for. $25. So let me open it up. I already put my foundation on, so I'll use this at the end to see if I like it. I've never heard of SPF on setting spray. I'm still shocked at that. If you have heard of setting sprays using SPF, let me know which ones, because I don't know which ones have that. But the packaging is stunning, and it doesn't look like a spray setting spray bottle, but it is. It's just gorgeous. Look at this. It looks like a bottle of perfume. That's what it reminds me of, right? Ooh, it's. I don't think it has any scent, so that's good. I'll try that later. I see here, this is by Illuminati, and it's a liquid luxe lip gloss. Look at this packaging though. And this retails for $21. 21. Does it have a seal? Yes, it does. It? Yeah, it does. Let me take this out. I took off my nails and now I can't open nothing. If I could open this today, I'll show you. Lord, I'm trying not to scratch the packaging because it's beautiful, but it's like I have to really get in there.
2,000 years later.
It seems like a peachy color, and it has tiny little specks of gold glitter inside, but they're very, very small. It looks very pretty. It does sparkle a lot. And the third item in here is this Beached Blush. And it's by Beauty. Achieve any level of blush, day or night, for all skin tones. I'm trying to see the shade name. Maybe it's on the inside. And then the blush retails for $36. What? A blush? A blush, $36. Why? Now, it doesn't say here on the packaging if it's powder blush or cream blush, so I don't know yet. Why can I not take anything out from the package today? Okay, this is what she looks like. Everything's mirrored. Everything's chrome. And I'm liking the vibe of chrome things. The only problem with that is that your fingerprint gets, see, stays on it, but it looks gorgeous though. Oh, okay, it's powder. And it brings the mirror, so you can see right there. It's like a peach color. Let me put it right here. Yeah, it's like a peach pink. And it seems like it has a little bit of sheen. Yes, it does. We have a brush here by Cheeky Rose, and I love their brushes. And this is a blush brush. Oh, perfect for that. So let me open it up. I'm assuming I'm gonna struggle with this too. Oh, it came out easily. Yay! It's more like an angle. I would consider this more for like contouring than blush, but that's okay. It's fine. I love the handle. Again, very chrome. It's super soft, so I'll try that with the blush. And that retails for blush brush $36. Wait, I made a mistake. The brush is $36, and then the blush is $25. So I thought it was $36. I was like, this is still a bit pricey for just a blush, but it's not $36.25. And the last item in here is the palette, and it's Matte About You because they're all matte. It's 12 universal matte shades that are perfect for every day or night. And it comes in a little pouch like this. This is cute, right? Again, a chrome situation happening. I'm loving the chrome. I do. I don't think I have a palette that's completely matte, so this, I'm excited for this. I want to see the colors. Usually all the palettes have at least 1 or 2 shimmers in them, or metallics, or a matte with little sparkles of glitter. So it's white. It's by Lash Step, right? Lash Step. And this retails for $45. Brings a mirror. Ooh, very neutral. Oh, but I see a black and a white. That's actually pretty nice. It brings both black and white. I think that's awesome. Very neutral. I like it. I love those browns that I'm looking at right now. And that black. Is it a good black? Oh, it is. I get why it says you could use it for daytime or nighttime, because you could just deepen up everything with these two over here and make it into a smoky situation at night. I think I'm gonna like this. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna start with the palette first. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here first. I'm gonna put that all over. I think I'm gonna do a smoky look that I haven't done in a while. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start with this one and slowly build it up. This is a perfect palette for an everyday makeup, which I can appreciate because that's literally what I do when I work. Is just something easy and quick. Why is it that when I sit down to film I get hungry? What the hell is that? I'm gonna go ahead and deepen it with this one, and I'm taking a slightly smaller brush, but it's still quite big, and I'm gonna concentrate that more on the crease. So I have a cold now. I hate getting a cold because I get a lot of phlegm, and my phlegm does not want to come out. I've always been like that. That always happens to me. And when I get that phlegm buildup, my throat starts to itch. And when my throat starts to itch, I start to cough a lot uncontrollably. And I hate that because it always happens in the wrong place. Like it happened today. I was at the post office to pick that up, and I'm in line. I'm in third one in line. I have people in front of me, people behind me, and I felt the itch in the back of my throat, and I'm like, oh no, not here. Because I know when I get that itch, it's coughing time. And that's exactly what happened. I started coughing like crazy. I was like, oh, and I forgot my bottle of water in the car because I take a sip of water and it calms everything down. And I forgot about that because I didn't think I was gonna get it there. But of course, it happened there. So I had to step out of the line. Everybody, of course, was looking at me like if I had, and I don't. Because now everything, heaven forbid, if you have a little cold or the flu or whatever the fuck, an allergy attack or whatever the hell, everybody thinks it's COVID. So of course everybody's looking at me like, get the fuck away from me. And I get it, but so I have to leave the fucking line to go to my car, get a bottle of water, drink the water, and breathe a little bit. Because the coughing is insane, non-stop, and I lose my breath when I do that. Then I went back in to get the package. And I'm like, why does it always have to happen at the wrong fucking time? I hate when that happens. I switched brushes again, and now this one's smaller, and I'm gonna use this one. A cool tone brown, I love it. These are working great, by the way. I'm taking the Moda shade brush. It's like this, kind of flat on one side. And I'm gonna use that black because I gotta use it, I gotta try it. Seems very good. And I'm gonna place that on the lid. This palette also could be considered a fall palette, which I love. You could have left it like this, put the lightest shade right in the lid area, and it could be a nice wearable daytime look. But you could add the black and make it more dramatic and use it for nighttime or during the day. I could easily go out like this also, because I love smoky eyes. So far all of them are working perfectly. No problem blending them. They blend well together. They're very pigmented and easy to blend. Love that black. So I'm basically going to do the same thing at the lower lash line. I'm just going to switch out the colors a little bit. I'm going to try this one that I haven't tried yet. Put that in the lower lash line. I'm going to deepen everything with that shade. Just in the outer corner. And an angled brush to connect the black at the bottom. I think I'm going to use a little bit of the white just on the brow bone to clean that up a bit. I think that'll be nice. Let me finish my eyes with eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be back to try the blush and the lip gloss. Alright, I'm ready to try the blush, and I'm going to use the brush as well. I like it. I don't know if necessarily I would use this brush for blush application because it's quite dense. It's hard to like swoop it on your face. I consider this more for cream products and like stamping the product and blend and then flipping it and blending it, but not for powder. So I'm gonna switch, and it's super soft. I just don't think it's for powder blush. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna switch to my the one that I normally use, but I do like it. Yeah, this way it gets spread out better, in my opinion. So I like it. I like that color. It blends great. The sheen is not too intense, so it's okay. I'm not gonna use highlighter today because it does have a sheen, so I'm fine with that. Now I'm gonna try the lip gloss. I like it. It feels very smoothing on the lips. I don't feel the glitter at all. It's very pretty. So this is it. This is the final look, and I gotta say I loved everything that I tried. Everything worked great. Everything is smooth perfectly. I mean, I don't know. I don't understand why Eyescream Beauty doesn't have more hype than it does, because I've tried many subscription boxes from makeup. My first makeup subscription box was Ipsy, and I had that for about a year, I think, but I didn't like it because not all of the products inside the box was like worth it, in my opinion. So I dropped that one, and then I got into BoxyCharm, and I was with BoxyCharm for about 3 years and a half or something. I can't remember right now. And it started off good, but then it became just basically a skincare box because I got so overwhelmed with skincare. It was ridiculous. I would get like maybe one product that was makeup, or two if I was lucky, and then the rest would be skincare. So I had to drop that one too. and they raised the price and all that, and then for shipping to Puerto Rico it cost extra, so it was a mess. I didn't like BoxyCharm at all. Then I tried Medusa's makeup, and I like the whole concept. I like their vibe, their style, and everything, but I wasn't happy with the products that I was getting, so I dropped that one too. And this one, honestly, right now, if they continue like this, I think I'm gonna stay with it because it's always good. I mean, not every box you're gonna like every single item because everybody has different tastes. But if you receive a box and you like more than half of the stuff inside, I think it's worth it. And in this case, yes, I always like everything that I get inside. Maybe there's one thing that I don't like, and it's because either I don't use it or I don't like the shade. But it's not because it's bad quality. So you know what I mean? I don't know why it doesn't have more hype. It should have more hype. This is another hit for me. I like November's box a lot. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Ooh. I remember trying my first makeup subscription. So I'm going to use this. I haven't put no powder I haven't put no blush on. I have no problem blending them, but I get it why it says you can do. Let me close this before I cut myself. I don't want to cut myself, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm taking 10 years here. Give me a second. Still? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Get out. Oh my lord. Finally. What are you doing, Max? What? Why is my hair like this? I don't know why my hair is fucked up today. I'm having a really bad hair day. Ah!